Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 confusing aspects of the MCU timeline.
Alright.
How old is Peter? One of the things fans have had trouble keeping track of is Peter Parker's age in the MCU. Since Peter was a 15-year-old sophomore in high school in Spider-Man Homecoming, and considering that Infinity War, which was his next appearance, takes place 2 or 3 years after Civil War, that means Peter should be a 17 or 18-year-old senior. Even if you exclude the 5 years time gap in which the character doesn't age and the fact that he was forced to start the school year over. When did Fury lost his eye? One of the biggest questions people had about the MCU before Captain Marvel came out was how Nick Fury lost his eye. However, after it came out, it became a matter of when Nick Fury lost his eye. In Captain Marvel, we got an explanation for how Fury lost his eye when the Falcon Goose scratched and permanently damaged it. However, this contradicts information we got in Winter Soldier. Alexander Pierce shows a photo of him and Fury together in which Fury has both eyes still intact. How did Cap return? After Endgame, a major question people had was how Captain America returned to the main timeline after returning the stones. Endgame's writers Marcus and McFeely claimed that he lived in the background of the main MCU timeline at the same time as the past version of himself. However, the Russo brothers claimed that in order to return to the bench, he would have had to put back on the quantum suit and use the time travel GPS in order to navigate back. While the Russo brothers' version of events seems to be more in line with the rest of the film's logic, this doesn't seem like a debate that's going anywhere soon. When did the Guardians form? Although the films didn't come out 3 years apart, James Gunn has said on numerous occasions that the events of Guardians Volume 1 and 2 actually take place within the span of around 3 months. Marvel's strange timeline makes us wonder when they actually occurred. Did the Guardians form in 2014? And are there 5 years of adventures these characters have gone on that we haven't seen, or did the Guardians not officially form until 2017, a year before Infinity War?
Who calls him that? Himself.
When did Tony Stark become Iron Man? Tony first getting captured by the Ten Rings and in return building a suit of armor to help him escape in what led to the creation of the MCU and all the films that follow. When the film takes place dictates when the others occurred. In Civil War, Vision mentions that it's been 8 years since he revealed himself to the world as Iron Man, but if that is to be believed, that means the events of the first Iron Man movie happened in 2008, which contradicts the film taking place in 2010.
So the upgrade is complete. Tell you what,